9 of my high-frequency GRE vocabulary series. If you are ready to boost your GRE vocabulary, you are absolutely in the right spot. Today we are diving into 3 keywords that will supercharge your GRE preparation, and those words are abhor, bigot and enfranchise. I'll break down each word, explore its meaning, then show you how it's used in sentences, then apply all 3 keywords in a short passage that represents a real life scenario, so that you will remember them deeply for life. So stay with me until the end to fully master these words. Ready to get started? Let's jump into our first word, and that is abhor. Abhor means to strongly dislike something. For instance, he abhors cigarette smoke or she abhors bad behavior. Next word is bigot. Bigot means a person who unfairly dislikes others due to their race, religion, gender or background. For instance, he is a bigot because he holds strong prejudiced views against women and opposes their empowerment. Or they avoid him because he is a bigot. And the last word is enfranchise. Enfranchise means to give someone the right to vote. For instance, the government passed a new law to enfranchise more people in the coming elections. Or enfranchising all sections of the society will strengthen democracy in the country. That's all for the words and their sentences. For the short passage, please visit the link in the description box where you can download it. And that's a wrap for today. We have covered abhor, enfranchise and bigot, exploring their meanings and their real life usage. I hope these words are now crystal clear to you and ready to use. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more GRE tips. And ring the bell so you never miss any update. Anyway, stay blessed and stay tuned for the next video.